Hi, today our topic is ERP. What is ERP? What is the definition of ERP? So ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. But what does ERP mean actually? The simplest way to define ERP is to think about all the core business processes needed to run a company. So, finance, HR, manufacturing, supply chain services, procurement, and others subjects in organizations. So, at its most basic level, ERP helps to efficiently manage all these processes in an integrated system in organizations. So, it is often referred to as the system of record of the organization also. So, yet today's ERP system are anything but basic to have the little reembrace the ERP of decades ago. So they knew delivered via the cloud and use the latest technologies nowadays. So such as artificial intelligence, that is AI, and machine learning to provide intelligence automation also, greater efficiency and instant insight across the business. So modern cloud ERP software also connects internal operation with business partners and networks around the world, giving companies the collaboration, agility and speed they need to be competitive today also. So why is ERP important? So sometimes described as the central nervous systems of an enterprise. So an ERP software system provides the automation, integration and intelligence that is essential to efficiently run all day-to-day business operations. So most or all of an organization's data should reside in the ERP system to provide a single source of truth across the business. So finance requires an ERP to quickly close the books. So sales needs ERP to manage all customers' order. Logistic relies on well running ERP software to deliver the right products and services to customer on time. So accounts payable needs ERP to pay suppliers correctly, and on time. Management needs instant visibility into the company's performance to make timely decisions. And banks and shareholders requires accurate financial record, so they count on reliable data and analysis made possible by the ERP system in organizations. The importance of ERP software to businesses is illustrated by the growing adaptation rate. Now we discuss about the 6 key benefits of ERP. So a good ERP system offers many advantages which can vary depending on how the system is deployed. The benefits of cloud ERP, for examples, are different than on premise. So that says there are 6 major benefits that supply to all modern ERP solution also. So they are higher productivity, deeper insights, accelerated reporting, lower risks, simpler IT, improved agility. So number one, higher productivity. So streamline and automate your core business processes to help everyone in your organizations do more with fewer resources. Deeper insights eliminate information's silos, gain a single source of truth, and get fast answers to mission critical business questions. Accelerated reporting, fast track business and financial reporting, and easily share results. Act on insights and improve performance in real time. Lower risks, maximize business visibility and control in your organizations. Ensure compiles and with regularity requirements, and predict and prevent risk. Simpler IT, by using integrated ERP applications that share a database, you can simplify IT and give everyone an easier way to work in organizations. Improve agility with efficient operations and ready access to real-time data. You can quickly identify and react to new opportunities also. Now, ERP examples in different industries. So, businesses in every industry from automotive to wholesale distribution need accurate real-time information and effective business processes to complete and thrive. Different industries rely on their ERP software for quite different reasons. However, they are just a few examples. So, utilities need to constantly review their capital assets not only to meet demand for future services but also for the replacement of aging assets. Without ERP, the effort to prioritize their major asset investments would be difficult and error prone. So ERP also helps solve another critical utility company issues: forecasting of spare parts. Not having the right parts during an outage can create a significant customer service issue. So on the other hand, having too many spare parts means excessive cost and out of date stock also. For wholesaler, importers, direct store delivery and 3PL or 4PL firms, on time delivery is key. So all of these organizations want to reduce distribution cost, increase inventory turns and shorten order to cash time. To achieve these goals, they need integration of inventory management also, purchasing and logistic functioning, as well as automated processes that are customized to their needs in organizations. So discrete, batch and continuous process manufacturers all rely on ERP and supply chain systems to meet the product quality goals, manage asset utilizations and control overtime cost also, handle customer returns, and more manufacturers can also gain end-to-end inventory control by monitoring stock movements and pinpointing top and underperforming products and managing procurement more efficiently. Service companies, including accounting, tax, engineering, IT, legal, and other professional services firms, require powerful real-time mobile ERP technology to balance services delivery commitments with financial health. Key to professional services success is the ability to stay on schedule while managing product or project profitability, resource utilizations, revenue recognitions, recurring revenue objectives and growth opportunities also in organizations. So retail has undergone a significant transformations now that e-commerce has merged with other sales channels as well as brick and mortar operations. The ability to provide self-service options for identifying, configuring, purchasing and shipping products is dependent on integrated data. A modern ERP also helps retailers produced or reduced cart abandonments, improve website conversions, boost average order value and increase customer lifetime value also. Now, how do ERP system work? An ERP system, also called an ERP suite, is made up of integrated modules or business applications that talk to each other and share common database. So each ERP module typically focuses on one business area, but they work together using the same data to meet the company's needs. Finance, accounting, human resources, sales, procurement, logistics, and supply chain are popular starting points. Companies can pick and choose the module they want and can be add on and scale as needed. So ERP system also support industry specific requirements either as part of the system care functionally or through applications extensions that seamlessly integrated with the suite. So ERP software can be bought using a cloud subscription model, that is software as a services, on licensing model on premise also. So now common ERP modules. Enterprise resource planning system include a variety of different modules in organizations. Each ERP module supports specific business processes like finance, procurement, or manufacturing, and provides employees in that department with the transactions and insight they need to their jobs. So every module connect to the ERP system which delivers a single sources of truth and accurate shared data across departments. Now, ERP means services, finance, sourcing and procurement, R&D and engineering also, manufacturing, asset management, supply chain and sale. So the most widely used ERP modules includes number one, finance. The finance and accounting modules is the backbone of most ERP system in organizations. So in addition to managing the general ledger and automation's key financial tasks, it helps business track accounts payable and receivable close to the book efficiently and generate financial reports, comply with revenue recognitions standard, mitigate financial risks and more. Human resource management. Most ERP system includes an HR module that provides core capabilities such as time and attendance and payroll, advance, or even entire human capital management, that is HCM, human capital management, can connect to ERP and deliver most robust HR functionality. So everything from workforce analytics to employees experience management, resourcing and procurement. The resourcing and procurement modules helps businesses procure the materials and services they need to manufacture their goods or the items they want to resell. The module centralizes and automates purchasing, includes request for quotes, contact person or contact creations and approvals. It can minimize understanding and overbuying, improve supplier negotiations with AI powered analytics and even seamless connect with buyer network also. Now sales, the sales modules keeps track of combination or communication with prospects and customers and help reps use data driven insights to increase sales and target leads with the right promotions and upsell opportunities also. It includes functionality for the order to cash processes, includes order management, contracts, billing, sales performance management and sales force support. Manufacturing, the manufacturing module is the key planning and execution components of ERP software. It helps companies simplify complex manufacturing processes and ensure production is in line with demands. And this module typically includes functionality for material requirements planning, MRP, production scheduling, manufacturing execution quality management, and more. Logistic and supply chain management. Another key component of ERP system, the supply chain module tracks the movement of goods and supplies throughout an organizational supply chain. The module provides tools for real-time inventory management, warehousing operation, transportation and logistic also. It can help increase supply chain visibility and resilience also. Services is an ERP. The service module helps companies deliver and reliable personalized service customers have come to expect. The module can include tools for in-house repair, spare parts, service management and service-based revenue stream. It also provides analytics to help service reps and technicals rapidly solve customer and improve loyalty. R&D engineering. So feature-rich ERP system include an R&D and engineering modules. So this module provides tools for product design and development, product life cycle management, that is PLM, product life cycle management, PLM, product compliance and more. So companies can quickly and effectively create new innovations. Enterprise asset management. So robust ERP systems can include an EAM module which helps asset intensive businesses minimize downtime and keep their machines and equipments running at peak efficiently. So this module includes functionality for predictive maintenance, scheduling, asset operations and planning also, environment, health and safety and more. Now types of ERP development. Modern ERP system can be deployed in a number of ways, in a public or private cloud or premises, or various hybrid scenarios that combine environment. So ERP cloud, which software is hosted in the cloud and deliver the internet as a service that you subscribe to. So hybrid ERP for companies that wants to mixture of both to meet their business for requirements. And there is the hybrid cloud ERP cloud module. This is where some of your ERP applications data will be in the cloud and some on premise. And sometimes this is referred to tier ERP also. So ERP integration. In today's ERP systems provide an enormous range of business functionality, but they still need to connect to and synchronize with other applications and data also. So such as CRM and HCM software, e-commerce platforms, industry specific solutions and even other ERPs. With ERP integrations, companies can gain a unified view of information from different systems, increase business processes, efficiently improve customer experience and facilitate collaboration across the team and business partner also. So that's for the video, my friends. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. If you like my video, my blogs, educational blogs, please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.